bringing in Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin right now. So some places saw some rain today?
Yeah, just spotty stuff.
Okay.
We've had a lot of this daytime spotty continuing into the evening rain. I think tomorrow is going to be a little wetter than what we've had over the last week, and we may be able to stretch the wet weather into Wednesday as well. This is how it looks now from our Austonian weather camera looking off to the northwest. Just a few clouds around. High pressure, as you may already know, has been in control to our east, producing record-setting heats throughout much of the eastern third of the U.S. But even though it's this far away from us, we're still on the edges of it, and that's suppressing a lot of rain. That's why we've had just minimal spotty showers here and there. However, this high, even though it's going to wobble westward, it's actually going to weaken a little bit, loosening its grip on central Texas and allowing more lift in the atmosphere here tomorrow, which is why we think we're going to have higher rain coverage. It doesn't guarantee that you have rain where you are, but your chances are higher here tomorrow and into Wednesday as well. Then as we get through Thursday and Friday, this high starts to wobble around a little bit more, and into the weekend, it's just to our north, close enough that we're not going to get any rain here this weekend. Into early next week, as it wobbles back to the northwest, we start to open up the door again to some rain again. As far as what's happening locally, the spotty showers that we had during the late afternoon and early evening that drifted in from the east really dried up as they approached 35, although a couple of lucky spots got a shower or two in parts of Pflugerville, Hutto, and Round Rock, as well as some of our eastern counties. Generally speaking, most of us were dry again here today. The rest of the night, dry. Low clouds take over here by morning. Those clouds quickly give way to sun, and we should still have a good amount of sun mixing with scattered clouds at noon. And then here come the spotty to widely scattered showers, downpours, and even thunderstorms. Think about 30 to 40% of the area gets rain here tomorrow, and then the rain dries up by tomorrow night. So not all of us get rain, clearly, but it's a better chance than we've had the last few days. Wednesday, a couple of early morning showers possible, and then a few more scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. So rain chances at 30% here tomorrow, 95 for the high, which is a little lower than today thanks to the rain, cooling the air a little bit. Rain chances still slightly elevated here on Wednesday, then back down just to 10% Thursday, dry Friday and Saturday, and only 10% rain chances late Sunday into Monday. So the temperatures drop a little bit, and then they start to climb. Upper 90s to almost 100 Friday through Monday, the final 4 days of June. And by the way, in case you're curious, the muggy meter does not change much over the next week. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. You can see those highest rain chances then for the rest of June coming tomorrow and Wednesday, but the heats hold steady.